Molly's Golden Summer. This is my summer story. My name is Molly, and I went on a big trip to a place called Ubon Ratchathani. The air was warm, and everyone was getting ready for the biggest party of the year, the Candle Festival. When I arrived, I saw giant blocks of yellow wax everywhere. They looked like big towers of honey. My grandfather Kavi was waiting for me at the workshop. He is a master carver who can turn wax into magic. Grandfather Kavi picked up a sharp tool and began to scrape the wax. Shavings fell to the floor like yellow snowflakes. He was carving a giant bird with beautiful wings to lead our parade float. "Can I help, Grandfather?" I asked. He gave me a small brush and a pot of gold paint. We worked together, making the feathers shine under the hot summer sun. It felt like we were making a real treasure. My friend Sunan came over to help too. He brought a basket of lotus flowers. We sat on the grass and sorted the petals. The wax smelled like sweet honey, and the flowers smelled like a fresh garden. Finally, the candle was finished. It was a giant, golden Garuda bird, tall and proud. Sunan and I stood back to look at our hard work. It was the most beautiful thing I had ever seen. The next morning, the sun woke me up early. It was parade day. I put on my best traditional Thai dress with a bright sash. I felt like a princess ready for a grand celebration. The streets were filled with music. Boom, chi-chi boom went the drums. Sunan and I danced alongside the giant candle float. Everyone was clapping and cheering as we moved through the city. As the sun went down, the candles began to glow. Grandfather Kavi sat with me as we watched the lights flicker. The whole city looked like it was made of gold and stars. It was a very quiet, happy moment. I will never forget the smell of the wax or the sound of the drums. I can't wait to go back next year and see what Grandfather carves next. And that was my summer story.